This is pretty much just a quick work in progress of my first level that I'm using with the hammer editor. I don't know how the frame rate's gonna go with my fraps. I don't know, how it's gonna turn out. But this is by no means finished. I've got a lot that I need to do still. I still need to add windows. I need to add doors. I need to add all the objectives. This is pretty much just showcasing for now what I've got in terms of actual, building. So I've got the basic blue spawn, which is here, which I'm going to add a respawn locker there, spawn door there, spawn door up there. I'm also aware that there's imperfections that I need to clear up, like that. There's also like imperfections to do with things sticking out of walls, which I need to fix. There's also texturing things here, as in like objects not handling light very well. I can tutorial that to check it out and see what the problem is. Like I said, I've not got down to doing it yet. This is still a work in progress, it's not finished, so we're going to see that a lot, like there as well. The objects have the same thing. The level itself is supposed to be like an underwater thing, in the sense that I want it to be set like an underwater bunker, but not really industrial looking, mainly because if it's a Team Fortress 2 level, I still wanted to keep it looking Team Fortress 2 style. I don't want it to look like it's a level that doesn't belong in the game. But you've got the capture point here, which is the intelligence is going to go there. We've got things like pipes and the norm, but we've got like water down here. Just put a storm in there, but keeps the level themed, I suppose. Seeing as this is the blue base, I've got things like blue barrels. It's a long tunnel. We'll go left first. This is pretty much the blue side of, obviously, you've got the battlements and the exit. The level itself has two ways to get to the other base. You've got an upwards way, which is more open but simple, and you've got a downstairs, which is sort of more intricate and it's very compact. And well, you're supposed to have the advantage of things like scouts being able to run down there, but being vulnerable to things like soldiers or whoever would pop up, they could easily just get in. We've got an upstairs room. We've got where the two teams meet, which is this room. I've tried making it like all the lights going from the top to bottom. I'm going to get two big windows and also a window going there. There's supposed to be, if I can do it right, I'm going to have to figure out how to do it, but there's going to be two big windows going there and there. You can supposedly see outside. If I can get a decent skybox, I'll do that. But if it looks like I'm just floating in the air, then it obviously isn't going to happen. This is the same as the blue base. I just, I've mirrored everything over, lights and everything, but I changed all the texturing around. I made sure whatever textures I selected had a red and a blue option, so that I could, obviously change the colour. This space has crates instead of barrels, because I've tried to make them just a little tiny bit different. I wanted to keep the map the same, but I wanted to everything else to be slightly different. I need to fix things like floating crates and everything else. This is all the same as the blue base. Obviously it's not finished. I've got things like that I need to fix. That also needs to be fixed. It's the same intel room, just red. I need to fix the pipes to make them straight. And I'll go check the last room that I've got on this level. This is actually my first ever attempt though with Source. I downloaded it about 3 days ago. I've pretty much been working on this level ever since. Whenever I had a problem, I'd obviously tutorial it. We've got the downstairs section, which is obviously, because the level's called Submerged, it's supposed to be set in like almost like underwater, just like an underwater bunker, so to speak. So this downstairs bit is almost like the maintenance hatch, but I've tried to make it almost leaked, so you've got manky pipes, and there's pretty much chest high in water. It's supposed to be slightly more rewarding though, in the sense that there's like a health bit down here for if you choose to go this way. But on the scale right now, I've tried to set it out so, for example, you can get to the base faster this way, but you're not on the characters up close. So if the scout was blue, same, but I just changed the lighting around, the colour. You go back up. The lighting again isn't finished. I've got a lot of lighting I need to change. I think I've added things like area lights just up there to just to sort of highlight it a little bit, because at the start, before I added those area lights, it was all just very dark, you couldn't even see the gun. So that was pretty much just a work in progress of my map so far. It's not finished, there's still a lot I need to do. I still need to add windows, doors, you know, things like all the objectives and the spawn rooms. I need to set it all out. But that's pretty much what I've got so far. I'll keep you posted on the final result.